Hello everyone, CodePurpose here. Let's see what's on the today's menu for doing. So it looks like we have the fourth exercise. Its name is number mirror. The name looks cool. So just to mention that we are solving exercises, or let's say beginner problems from CodeChef. Let's enter this exercise and see what awaits us. No, this beautiful name has only one line text. Oh, it says write a program that accepts a number and outputs the same. Oh, maybe all of you would say, what's this exercise? Let's skip it. But let's have some fun. It's not always about solving or being professional, but sometimes it's better solving dumb exercises like this, just 2 lines. And let's go. Include IOStream. We are missing the R. IOStream. Yeah, yours is gone. Using namespace st return. No. That's the number, directly send the number. So we declare an integer number and read that number using the syn command. The in means input. Then using silent command we are just outputting the number. Okay, let's read basic number, random number 125. Here we have 125. This would probably work there, but let's have some fun. Let's include the library for using C commands, C syntax. So instead of syn, let's use scanf, model D, and number. And instead of silent, let's printf model D number. Okay, we are missing the f, so let's rerun this program. Right there, 125. Here we have the 125. So those functions are cool functions. Let's talk about them to have something more interesting, because this exercise, as I said in the beginning, it was dumb exercise. Let's make fun of it. Scanf is a function, and maybe some of us know, not all, that functions can return values. So both of them, scanf and printf functions, return values. What value they return? So if you wanna just see out the scanf of this, and just add there an end line for better vision of the better cool looking output. So we have 155, and we see that we get 1. So what means this one? This one means that we have successfully read an integer number. Scanf is a function that returns a value which is equal to the correctly read values. So if I write instead of 152.0, again it gives 1, because we read a number, it can be interpreted like integer. That wouldn't be a problem. What if we read a character? Oh, scanf returns 0. That's cool. So we know that we have written something wrong or something gone wrong. We have written a wrong character. So if we want to print the value of print function, we do the same. So line, and let's see what happens if we put 152 again. Okay, we get 1 3. Okay, let's add the \n just for more beautiful view. Oh no, we have 4. What if we add some other text? The readed number is no, we should have around 15-20 characters. 52. Oh, 26. What means this number? This number means that firstly the print function would be called, and it will do his job. So it will print those. The readed number is space model D, which stands print an integer number \n, which we explained that it's used for new line. Now after that, so it prints still here, and we have \n, we have the new line, and we have 26. What's that 26? Maybe all of you would be wondering what's that, where it come from. So printf, as we said, returns an integer value. In this case, different by the scanf function, the printf function prints the total number of characters that we printed in the console. So if we start counting those, it would be a total of 26. So let's just remove this text and leave it as it was. So we have 152. So we have one corrected readed value. We have printed 4 characters. Why 4? There's only a number, but they are treated like digits. So we have 1 2 3, and maybe some of you would say there's 3. Where is the 4th? Here is the 4th, the new line character. It is counted also because it is in the ASCII values. So let's just ignore those and back to our problem. Let's check this problem here in CodeChef. Okay, copy paste, submit. Okay, waiting it to be submitted. It was an interesting exercise. Yeah, here we have status correct answer. The exercise was solved correctly. We had fun, and this is the end of this video. So make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button. You can also turn on the notification by clicking the notification bell and get notified when we add a new video about those programming stuff. See you soon on CodePurpose.